Presenting Honor MagicBook X15 Intel Core i3-10110U laptop in silver. It comes in a size of 1.7 × 23 × 35.7 centimeters and weighs 1.56 kilograms. It runs on Intel Core i3-10110U processor and comes preloaded with Windows 10 Home and a free upgrade to Windows 11 Home. It has 8 GB DDR4 HD RAM and Intel UHD graphics and 256 GB PCIe SSD storage. The laptop is powered with a battery life of 7.8 hours and the 65 watts Type-C fast charge gives a charge of 59% in just 30 minutes. The laptop has 15.6 inches FHD full view IPS anti-glare narrow bezel display and a resolution of 1920 × 1080 pixels. It supports TUV Rheinland low blue light certification, flicker-free certification. Enjoy stereo sound with the built-in speakers. It comes with fingerprint power button and 720 pixel camera with privacy mode. The laptop is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and is equipped with a USB 2.0 port, USB 3.0 port and HDMI port. The box contains the laptop, 65 watts USB-C power adapter, charger cable Type-C, quick start guide and warranty card. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.